Hi guys, Mab here and welcome back to my channel, and today we will be customizing. We're gonna keep it simple and basic. So I got these New Balance beaters secondhand for like $6 or $8, and the moment I saw it, especially because of this one and the color pink in it and the silver, I decided to turn it into a South Beach themed New Balance. It's basically going to be color blocking, and it's going to be quick and simple. So if you'd like to see how I did that, then keep on watching. Alright, so first things first is I already cleaned the shoes. And we're just going to be taking off the shoelaces, so there will be no obstruction of any sort as we are painting. Next thing is prep. Get your cotton balls and your acetone. It works the same thing as using an Angel's deglazer, so I use this instead because also it's cheaper. For the colorway, of course, we'll be using a mixture of white and gray, and mix it in here in my old bottle. I don't throw it away, because you can still use that and just put a label on it, what's the color, what you put in it. We're also going to be using neon pink, and of course gift box blue, which is the Tiffany, for Tiffany colorways. And then for the fabric parts, the soft absorbent parts, you'd have to use Too Thin or Gap 900, which I have. My moms be like getting stuff using their feet. There you go, Gap 900. And of course brushes and palettes. Alright, let's start painting. So this, there you go, that's the light gray I'm looking for. I'm trying to focus the camera. There you go. And starting off with the light gray, I'm gonna cover the gray panels first and finish it off so I would not be mixing again later on. And again, just do short, quick strokes. I'm not into taping. Alright, so we're done with the gray. We're just letting it dry. So what I'm actually doing when I'm painting is that I'll be putting a layer on one pair, and then I'll be working on the other one. So while this is drying out, I'm actually working on the other one, just letting it dry, and then just make sure to give it a dry time before putting on another layer of paint. You can use a heat gun or even a hair blower if you don't have one. The only difference with those two is that the heat gun is hotter. We're now going to be moving on with the pink. We'll keep all the pinks pink. And this one, I want it to be a little brighter, not exactly the same color as these ones. So I'm using neon pink, still from Angel's Paint. And yeah, put my apron on, my Soul Savior apron that I sewed. Free-handed it, and that's it. If you want a video on how to sew an apron, let me know down below. And then we're gonna be, of course, using a different brush,
a clean one.
This is always the problem with this. You can try to tap it on a hard surface, and if it still does not open, well, get a rubber band. Worked. We're just gonna be using a little bit of this one because it's just gonna be on the letter N. We already have enough pink, I think. It's just gonna be on this letter N. I like doing the edges first, then the threads, and then work on the middle, so I can make sure that there will be no overlapping. Is that how you call it? Just make sure that you do not touch on the gray, just in case it's not fully dry yet. Like that. Put a little in here. A few drops. It's easier to get a few more later on instead of wasting a lot of paint. Especially if you're not going to be mixing colors. I want the stitches to pop out like super pink, so I'm really soaking that in. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten yet. Because I'm on a diet. I'm on a dumpling diet, like seriously. There's this Korean store in our province, in Cavite. And that Korean grocery store sells like 100 pieces of dumplings. I hate this part. Rubber band hack. For this, and this part, we're gonna be leaving it white. As for the Tiffany, we're just going to be putting it all around here on this single panel. And then this is going to be black, inspired by this colorway. It's really far, right? But you get the idea. Hang on, let me just switch positions. There you go. Is that better? Yes, right? It is. So, where are we? Right here. Since this is already dry, I can already lay my finger, my pinky there for support. Again, the threads outwards and up to make sure you would not get into the gray matter. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions on what videos you want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, Mav. You know, have a good one. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye!